Your change will change our world.
It is my pleasure to be here tonight. Northside Community School, where are you? Say hi. All right. Healthy food, healthy minds. If you believe in that, raise your hands. I do. So when you pick up that bag of chips, boys and girls, ask yourselves, would this make me healthy? And if I didn't eat healthy food, would my mind be healthy? So that's for you to grow on. You want to eat real food. And that is why we are introducing these green machines into your school. And for our community leaders, Science Center, Missouri Botanical Garden, having these green machines in your facilities says that you can. Let me talk about my students, our future, our boys and girls. So, boys and girls, you've been learning about green machine in your schools. You have grown your herb for this occasion. And you and your teachers have worked very hard to make sure that you are going to show us what you've done.
We'd like to welcome Northside Community School and present the award for growing leadership to the teacher and who's leading the program there, Ciara Fisher.
In our school today, they made chicken wraps with not only lettuce, but also wrapped around with tortillas. From the lettuce that we grow in our classroom, we'll also additionally be adding in other herbs and specialties that the students may pick.
Northside Elementary!
We have our wonderful teachers, Miss Emmy and Mr. Tomlin.
For the picture, sweetie.
Hello, my name is Elliot Lianza, and I am the leader of the Green Machine Club at Northside Middle School. And today our students have prepared parsley, and they have also steamed mustard greens.
Hello, I'm Wally Breon Sykes, and at Promosia we are serving savory wings, and for our herb we have chives for you today. But you can do a little extra too.
Today we made kale pesto salad with pesto with basil that we grew. We also are trying some bath bombs, so you can stop by and smell them. We have a few pickles, so come see what we've done.
Cassandra Lynn, GCAA, Crescent Arts Academy. We have dill, cilantro lime shredded chicken, and salsa.
GCAA!
Hi, I'm Adonica Adams, and this is Miss Shaniqua and Miss Rachel. And we have made kale garbanzo bean salad that we're serving on today.
Youth on the rise!
Hi, we're at Warner Elementary at SLPS, and I have kindergarten students, and our dish was Caesar salad. We've been growing green leaf lettuce and romaine lettuce, and then our herb was dill.